It's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today so that I can share with you about fiber. Do you know what fiber is? Many people quickly say, oh yes, Berta, I know what fiber is. And I'm going to tell you, it's not Metamucil and it's not benefiber. It's only found in plants. And it goes through your body undigested. It has no calories and it has no nutrients. It keeps the digestive system clean and healthy, and there's two kinds. The first is soluble. Now that's dissolved in water. It helps to keep your blood sugar and your cholesterol in check. And it helps you to feel full. And I put all these things out here so that I could separate them and give you some picture of what they are. It can be found in oats, beans, and nuts and seeds, as well as fruits and vegetables. Now, that's one way you can get it in with the soluble. But the insoluble ones are the ones that don't dissolve in water. And what it does is it's the one called roughage, and it creates like a fullness in your tummy when you're eating. And it makes you stay full longer. So you're satiated and you don't want to eat as much. The insoluble fiber is found in grains. I put some barley out here, but you know the grains, brown rice and all that stuff. And the skins of fruit, like if you eat the skin of an apple, skin of a pear, not the skin of a banana, the skins of grapes, you will get insoluble fiber, that kind that's going to keep pushing things through so that your elimination is easy. And also, again, nuts and seeds. I put the greens out here because it's in greens, dark greens, leafy greens, okay? I just want you to remember this, troopers. I, Berta J, am not a doctor. I'm not a medical profession. I have no medical certificates. So what I am saying, I want you to verify with your doctors and the people you go to for your medical needs. Okay? This information is information that I gather because I like to read, and much of it is from different doctors. But you double check me and you make sure it's good for you, because I don't know what medications you're taking. I don't know anything about you, but I do know that fiber included in your diet will be a real help. Okay? So my question after that, as I was doing more investigation, is how much should you have? Now, I won't say there's two schools of thought, but I'm just going to give you the basic number, about 40 grams of fiber. Now, it seems like a lot. You don't want to start eating that much fiber as soon as you see this video. You're going to gradually increase whatever it is that you're eating right now. I'll share some information below with some videos and also a couple of websites that I went to give you more information about how many grams are in certain foods, and you'll know. It's not hard to get 40. As you continue watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Give me a like, okay? Thanks. What does it help? The first thing it does, as I already mentioned, is that it helps your digestive system, keeping it clean and free-flowing. It also helps you, because of that, it helps you to maintain a healthy weight because you feel fuller longer. It's also a cancer prevention, which I had no idea. Maybe you guys did. I had no idea it would help that. The next is the diabetes. It will help diabetes by lowering the glucose in your blood so that your blood sugar levels will remain steady, or they will be even lowered, okay? Fiber will do that. Studies have shown that a boost in the immune system, because of now with us having to look at these different viruses that are around, eating more fiber will boost your immune system. So you want to eat it so that will happen for you. And just remember, the more fiber you eat, I don't want you to forget, got to drink more water. Fiber needs the water in order to work. It absorbs that water, so you need to drink more of it. So, how can you get fiber in your diet? Here's a few things that I learned. One, if you're a meat eater and you eat meat at every meal, you can start replacing that meat with something that's higher in fiber, like maybe some oats with some fruit instead of having sugary cereal, instead of having like bacon or something like that. You can put berries also on your morning oats. You can choose from a wide range of grains to get fiber instead of choosing only the white varieties. Okay. Eat the whole fruit, like eat the whole apple instead of peeling it all the time. Eat the skin, because there's a lot of fiber in skin. And you can add vegetables and fruits to your salads. And also you could add some different grains and nuts too. And you can boost the amount of fiber that you get. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do. There were so many more, and I just selected about 4 or 5 of them so that you would know what you had to do in order to get it incorporated into your diet. Remember, I said do it gradually. Gradually, maybe 5 or 10 grams every couple of weeks or so, or every week. You can increase it until you get to around 40. And you can keep track of it again with one of the websites that I will give you so that you can look it up, okay? That's the end of the video, okay? So until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell. And don't forget to leave me some comments below, because there are other things I want to share with you. It's not always going to be a recipe on Berta J's channel, but I want to share information to make your life healthier. That's my goal, all right? And so until next time, bye for now, troopers.